I might just be a little bit obsessed with these new travel finds that I have just ordered within the last couple of months. I have been trying them out, and honestly, they are so good. I wish I would have found them sooner. All right, it has been a little while since I've made a video like this, and I have some great things to share with you, including one thing that I predict we're going to see a lot of people with this particular item this year on Caribbean cruises. Oh, and by the way, not only do I have travel and organization finds, but I actually did get a new pair of shoes that, for anybody who's been watching my videos for a while, you know I had a pair of tan shoes that I absolutely loved. Unfortunately, I lost one of them on a cruise. I was able to replace them with another pair of shoes from Amazon, and honestly, these are even more comfortable. Now, before I get started sharing these items, I did want to mention two things. First, all of the items that I'm sharing in this video, you can find the links down below in the video description as well as the pinned comment. And secondly, if you like this video, if you find it helpful, informative, or enjoyable in any way, then please do give this video a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Let's get started. Okay, let's start off first with travel bags and organization. So pouches. Now, if you're anything like me and you like to stay organized, especially when you are flying or maybe even in your personal bag, I like to always have different kinds of pouches. Now, I found a new pouch, and what I really like about this one, first of all, the quality is really, really nice. The size is good, and it expands. So awesome. Now that's my tide to go. I never go anywhere without it. But I also have some sort of AirPods in there. That's some sleep AirPods. I've got my hand cream. I've got a little extra bracelet. And you know, you have even enough room to keep other tech items and things like that. And I love the fact that it's cute as well. Mesh pouches. Now I actually have my personal bag that I will show you, or my carry-on bag, very soon. But first, let's talk about these mesh pouches. You can see here, I've got some hair products. That's all going to go into my carry-on bag. And I also like to keep some medication with me. These are all over-the-counter items, but my Bonine, a little chapstick, you know, even cold medicine. Frank, oftentimes for flights, he likes to take some sinus medication, an Advil cold and sinus before a flight. So I have that, some little candies as well. And all of this stays with me either in my personal bag or carry-on. Now, this is my new favorite makeup bag. Now, this is actually the one that I am using, and this is the one I'm going to continue to use, but it is available in different colors. So I actually picked this one up for my niece. She's going away to college. I thought it was so cute, and she, of course, likes pink. So a nice little rose gold feature. But the really good thing is at the bottom of this makeup bag, here you go, you have room for your brushes right here. And of course you can keep other things as well. But what I do like is, and I will show you this because it actually has my makeup, it is see-through. I've had other makeup bags before, they're good, but the see-through one has been the best I've ever found. Now, speaking of travel organization, like carry-on bags and backpacks, this is where the sponsor of today's video, Nomad Lane, comes in. Now, I'm super excited to share Nomad Lane's new Bento backpack, which we've actually been trying out for the last 3 or 4 trips. Now, I love the Bento bag. It's actually my favorite carry-on bag. So when Nomad Lane shared with me how they designed this new backpack to have many of the same features that people love in a convenient backpack form, I was happy to give it a try. Now, honestly, I was not a backpack girl, but let me tell you, we have used it over the last few trips, and it has been so convenient, both at the airport as a personal bag and when boarding our cruise ship. Now, the Nomad Lane Bento backpack opens up clamshell style, almost like a suitcase, with dedicated spaces for a laptop or iPad, toiletries, documents, travel essentials, and it comes with a clear toiletry pouch and a tech organizer for cords and chargers. There are easy access front pockets for things like your sunglasses, medication, keys, personal care items, and moisturizer. There's also a hidden pocket in the back for your passport or money. Now the straps are super comfortable memory foam, and the Bento backpack is designed so that heavier items sit close to your body so it feels balanced and easy to carry. Now it's roomy enough to pack a compression packing cube with a change of clothes, toiletries, and embarkation day essentials that you don't want to hand over with your luggage. It also has a trolley sleeve so that you can slide it over your suitcase, plus a water bottle pocket that zips away when you're not using it. Now, if you do prefer a more structured bag, the original Nomad Lane Bento bag is another great option. It can be carried, worn crossbody, or placed over the handle of your luggage. It also opens up clamshell style, has plenty of organized compartments, and it works well as either a personal item or a carry-on bag. Oh, and by the way, the Bento bag comes in many different colors, including the gorgeous blue that I absolutely love, and the sangria pink, which is one of my new favorites. Now I'm going to leave the link to the Nomad Lane website as well as an awesome discount code down below in the description of this video and a pinned comment in case you do want to check it out. And as a bonus, I do see that right now on the Nomad Lane website, the prices are the best that I have ever seen. Okay, I have more travel items that are awesome, but first I did want to take a little bit of a curve as we go over some fashion finds. Look at these shoes. Found them on Amazon. Now I know they're not going to be for everybody. They do have a little bit of a heel, but these are so comfortable. And if you know me, I like a neutral shoe because when you're going on a cruise, if you wear something neutral, it can go with black, it can go with navy, it can go with, you know, all different colors. So just take a look though. I don't know if you can see. These are so comfortable. You would be really surprised. And honestly, I got so many compliments on them, and I was on Oceania and I thought they looked quite good. But they are available in different colors. I get asked a lot about this bag when I do share on Instagram. This has been the crossbody bag. I do have it in a beige and tan as well. I've been wearing it on cruises, and I've been just wearing it around, you know, I live in Montreal, and if I have to go out to Costco or just anywhere, I wear it. It's crossbody if you like, but you can also take this off and just wear it like a mini bag. You can probably recognize the style. It looks like it was probably inspired by Longchamp. Now, of course, it is not Longchamp, but really it's a nice nylon. I think the material looks quite good. And this is actually much more roomy than you'd think. Oh, and by the way, just as a reminder, all of the items that I do mention in this video, they are all going to be linked down below in the description or in a pinned comment, I should say. So the other thing I wanted to show you, I get asked about this a lot too. I wore it on my Mediterranean cruise. I wore it with a linen sleeveless top, and I thought it was really quite pretty. Apparently a lot of other people seem to like it too. This is available in a lot of different colors. Okay, do you know what this is? I did not know what it was until I met people. They actually watch my channel and they said hello when we were in Dubrovnik, and they had this around their neck, except it was wet and cold because it is a type of cooling towel. Now what you do is you actually wet it. And what they were doing is, you know, like if you find a fountain, you could just wet it in the fountain. You put it around your neck and it keeps you cool. Now, I happen to have another friend, and she told me when she goes on Caribbean cruises, she bought this last year and she's been using this. And as much as I love a cooling fan, you know, that you hold in your hand, and I'll leave that linked as well because that's just fantastic. We've been bringing that on some cruises. I think that this is just so smart, especially if you are doing a beach day. This is just genius. And in this case, it comes in a package of 4 with different colors. So even if you're traveling a couple of people or as a family with kids, everybody can have their own color. And when you're done, you can just throw it in the wash. Blister bandages. Why did I never think of these before? Now they actually come in a few different sizes. So even in this package, there are different sizes. Now, what happened to me is while we were in port in Rome, I forgot to put anything on my foot, no moleskin, nothing. And we were walking quite a lot. And what happened is I did end up getting a little blister that started. So I walked into a pharmacy and I ended up buying these. Now, the really cool thing is that once I put it on, I was like, well, look at that. It's like almost see-through, which, you know, I think is nicer looking than the moleskin that I usually use. So now I am proactive, and I bought these, and like I said, there's a couple of different sizes, so, you know, even small ones if you like. And I think what I'm going to do is, you know, and even if you have comfortable shoes, which, by the way, the shoes that I was wearing, they are lemon jelly, and they're sort of in a neutral, they might be called like a sand color or something like that, but they do have a little bit of a gold tone to them. I think that they're nice enough to be able to wear, you know, even if you're wearing a little dress or something like that, which is why I like them. And they have a little bit of a height. They're a comfortable, you know, flat wedge, but they're quite comfortable. In any case, these are so good. Bought them at a pharmacy, but now I have bought the package on Amazon, and I will be using these from now on. The Slim Magnetic Fan. Now, I have been asked recently to share this, so I am. This fan is really cool because look, you've got your magnets, so this can actually adhere to the wall in your cabin because most cruise cabin walls are magnetic. You also have a hook, so if you want to hang it up, you can do that as well. And you can even place it, you know, straight on your night table if you like. A men's toiletry bag. Now, of course, it does not have to be for a man, but a lot of men seem to like this one. So I did want to share it with you. Because there are some special features that I wasn't even aware of, and this is really fantastic. So first, you know, Frank's got all his shaving stuff in this, which is great. And I do have one item in here I actually do want to show you because it's kind of new. Some people might already know it, but just in case you don't, it was new to us. But look at this side pouch. So it's got 3 pouches, and the middle part is the largest with, you know, the compartments and stuff. But it's got this part here that, you know, does of course have the plastic, so it's like waterproof. So if you put shampoo in there, if you put other items, you know, even if you have wet items, even if you want to put a swimsuit in there, you know, before you go home, you can keep all of that. So honestly, it is really fantastic. And the material is really, really nice. It's a very good quality. And by the way, it is by the brand Bag Smart, which I always like. Now, this is the other item that I want to show you. You might already know this product. It's called Nasacort. In any case, Frank tried it recently because my son had it for, you know, something. Anyway, what Frank realized is that for anybody who does get a bit of a, you know, blocked nose or blocked ears on the flight, this is something that he's been using right after the flight, and he actually finds it helps to like unblock the sinuses as well. Anyway, that's just a little tip. If you have any other tips that can help with that, it is a lot better for Frank than it was before, but it is still something that seems to affect him more than the rest of us. 2-piece travel outfit for ladies. Now, the last time that we just flew out, a lot of people asked about my travel outfit. 2 pieces, it was in beige, it was in neutral, and we did fly in the summertime, so I wanted to wear something that was a little bit lighter. I often do wear black, so, you know, it's available in black as well, and I do have it. But I thought that this outfit was cute. It is sleeveless. They do have one with sleeves as well, but it does also have a little bit of a cropped pant, which I thought was cute. And again, I'm going to leave the link down below. Now, I have 2 more items, and the last one is actually not travel, but it is something that some of you might like. It was kind of part of my recent things that we bought, so I thought I would share it with you. But first, I did want to share with you this, which is a travel blanket. Now, Ethan actually just used it to do a picnic, and he reminded me of how great this beach blanket is. So if you're going on a cruise, you know, whether you're going on your own or you're maybe traveling with kids, this beach blanket is fantastic. And it does come with some pegs, so you can peg the side, but even if you want to put your own towels on top of it, it can be good. Or if you want to even forego the towels, or if you want to save money and not have to rent lounge chairs when you go to even some of the Caribbean private islands. I heard that MSC is now charging for lounge chairs at some of the beaches. You could bring this instead, a pickleball racket. So if you were going on a cruise and they have pickleball, I guess you could actually use this. And a lot of cruise ships do have pickleball now, but this is actually Ethan's new pickleball racket. So it was his birthday. So this is something that I bought, and it is by the brand Vatic, but he absolutely loves this pickleball racket. So I did think that I would share it with you. It is so lightweight. So if you are looking for a lightweight pickleball racket, even to bring with you when you're traveling, it is so lightweight. You might really like this. Now, I am going to leave the links to everything that I mentioned in today's video down below in the video description, as well as a pinned comment. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Bye for now, and happy cruising.